I'd like to now shift into a demonstration of it so that everyone can see how easy it is to use. So as you can see here, we've got a social listening web page up and working. This is a demonstration environment, so it's not an environment that contains information that's relevant to New Signature or relevant to your organization just yet. It's important to recognize that there are two stages of the social listening process. The first is setting up the accounts, the search queries, and the context for the types of information that you want to gather. The second is the consumption and analysis of that information. Typically, those roles would be played by two different individuals within your organization. So one of those roles might be played by an individual who sets up the queries and gets everything ready to be listened to. The other might be a business analyst who actually consumes the information on a weekly basis. And third, you might have a customer service rep who's consuming this information in real time and taking actions on it, or a marketer who's using it for their marketing implementations, or a seller who's going in every couple of hours to get additional intelligence. All of those roles are roles that involve consuming the information, not necessarily quite so much building the information contained within it. So we're going to review how you get in there and build the queries first, and then we'll cover actually consuming the information. So it's an incredibly easy to use interface. You'll notice out of the gate I've got a couple of easy to select items. All of this is a touch capable website. I can use my hands on a tablet or a Surface to be able to do that. I can also use a mouse to do it as well. I'm going to go ahead and go into the settings to show off how you can build up these queries from the get-go. It's important to note the way that Social Listenings is licensed is that it actually allows you to consume a set number of queries per month. You pay a small fee, but out of the box you get 10,000 monthly posts. Too many posts that you need to work on. For others, they may need to buy another 10,000 or another 100,000 posts, depending upon their needs.